In this review, are you planning for an late camping trip? If so, you more bring a light source with you. We review 15 best solar camping lights for 2021, ranging from soft and hard-bodied collapsible lanterns to old-fashioned models. There are plenitude of options in the request, ranging from classic propane lanterns, solar lanterns, to electric camping lights. Sorely, you see and charge a gas lantern in the wild. Then's where solar rechargeable lanterns come to the deliverance. Also, ULL no way be out of light with them. Plus, they more eco-friendly than propane lanterns. Plainly, there are numerous solar lanterns to choose from. With this in mind, our comparison table is your at-a-glance companion to our review below. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Garden Review present top 5 best solar camping lanterns. Let's get started. Number 5. D.Light S30 Portable Solar Lantern. D.Light S30 Portable Solar Lantern is a no-frills, does what it says solar camping lantern. It doesn't have the added features of being a power bank or effects like that, but it does what it's meant to give light and solar charge. The solar panel on these lanterns is excellent and does a great job of charging the battery indeed on a cloudy day. There's also an index light so that the solar charging is working. However, you can also charge it via USB, if you don't want to worry about having to calculate just on solar. The lantern comes with 3 different light modes, so you can find the right intensity for your requirements, whether it's cuisine or reading at night. There's a handy hanging handle so you can crop it to the roof of your roof, and you can also pop it onto the bottom. The lantern is enough light at 7.2 ounce, and the confines are just about small enough for use when backpacking. It's well made, durable, and comes with a 2-time bond. Number 4. Luminade Solar Inflatable Lanterns. The Luminade Packlight Nova Solar Inflatable Lantern is one of the best solar camping lanterns on the request. It packs down super small, and with the 5 light modes, you can always find the right air for your evening. Importing just 5 ounces and packing down to 4.75 x 4.75 x 1 elevation, this is an ideal solar camping lantern for backpacking. ULL be suitable to niche it into a bitsy space in your pack, and slightly notice the redundant weight. The Packlight Nova can be charged via either solar bowl or USB. It takes 10 hours to charge in direct sun and 1 to 2 hours via USB. Once completely charged, it'll give you up to 24 hours of light in low light mode. One of the best effects about this lantern is that it's expandable. Just open it up, inflate it, and you produce a long lantern that gives off a good quantum of light. Being inflatable, it also floats and it's completely leak-proof, so if you love fishing or any other kind of water exertion, this is a great choice. The only downsides are that if you perforation the inflatable part, it doesn't come that useful or float presently. Also the battery can start to not completely charge after a while. Number 3. Goals Zero Crush Light Solar Lantern. Small, easy to use, and enough juice to run for 35 hours are the main advantages of Thing Zero Crush Light. Really, it might not be suitable to light an entire campground. ULL need to buy a more important solar camping lights if that's the thing. Still, it's ideal for an exigency beacon or a camping lantern to light your path back to the camp. As the name suggests, you can crush the beacon for better storehouse. It's fairly easy since the plastic body is flexible and formerly comes with a shape that favors the collapsing medium. The light comes from a single LED beneath the solar panel. Also, can change the brilliance settings using the power bottom. Despite the low power profile, it offers up to 35 hours of operation with a 6 lumens affair. Although the lumens isn't as bright, it's enough for exigency purposes. You can use Thing Zero Crush Light S erected in panel to charge the 500 mAh battery. Still, it'll take close to 20 hours to do it. Again, you can use the USB power input, which takes 2.5 hours to completely charge your camping light. Number 2. AgTech Solar Lantern. The AgTech Solar Camping Lantern is one of the most dependable lanterns if you're in a tricky spot and looking for some charge. This lantern comes with 5 different styles to charge it with. You can use AAA batteries, plug it into the wall, use an auto appendage, coil the fireball, and use the solar panel to charge this lantern. No matter where you are, and no matter the rainfall, you'll be suitable to have a working lantern for your gloamings. The solar panels used are polysilicon solar panels, and are largely effective at converting sun into electricity. The lantern is also made using energy-effective factors to ensure the charge lasts as long as possible. It has 2 brilliance modes and can be used as a power bank for charging your mobile phone or other bias. It also comes with a handy hanging handle for attaching it to your roof. There are some negatives. The lantern doesn't come with batteries and it's likely to break if you drop it, so be careful with it. It's also a little big for camping with. Number 1. Kizon Collapsible LED Solar Lantern. Let's go back to the collapsible solar lanterns department and look at this product from Kizon. It has a 3.4x 3.4x 4.7 elevation footmark that collapses down to 1.7 elevation. Clearly, this can fluently tuck inside any fun or hiking pack. Kizon LED Solar Camping Lights plastic frame houses a series of LEDs that produce up to 65 lumens on high brilliance. Indeed, it's enough downward. But keep in mind that this camping lantern retails for lower than $20. Battery life is nothing emotional either, given that, when completely charged, it only lasts about 15 twinkles on the loftiest affair. But you can increase the time up to 6 hours by emulating illumination. Kizon Collapsible LED Solar Lantern for camping USB, and solar rechargeable lanterns for hiking. Also, it takes 4 hours to charge this solar camping light's 800 mAh battery fully using the USB input. It takes much longer through the beacon solar panel top. Try your best to charge it before your trip. You might be wondering, why would someone buy this solar-powered lantern? Well, it's a great tool to light your path back to the camp as the sun goes down. It can collapse and used as a flashlight to find commodity in the nothingness of night. In short, it's an excellent secondary beacon to have around. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.